In this video, I will show you how to copy your Threads profile link. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, to get your profile link, what you're going to want to do first is open up Threads on your device. From here, what you're going to want to do, you've got these options at the bottom. Now what you want to do is come across to your profile, and you can do this by clicking your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And once you're on your profile page, it's going to look similar to this. What you're going to want to do from here is simply press the share profile button. So what it's going to do is actually bring up your profile link. Now to actually see this, what you're going to want to do, at the very top it should say copy URL. So you want to press onto that button. And then if you come across and open up a new mobile browser, and at the top, all you want to do is go ahead and paste that link you've just copied. And you'll see this is now our profile link. So what we can do is send this to anyone through like Messenger or Facebook or WhatsApp or Discord or something like that, and they'll be able to use that to view our profile and follow us if we want to. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.